Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic will be how to make an epic music video on a shoestring budget. Movies and television shows are replete with amazing music videos, but unless you're Lady Gaga or Beyonce, the idea of shooting your own music video may seem out of reach. However, with just a few tips and tricks from this guide on how to make an epic music video, you can make your own promotional video without breaking the bank or hiring an expensive production company. These techniques will allow you to film an exciting, high-quality production that looks and feels like it cost thousands of dollars to create. All it takes is these simple steps to learn how to make a music video for free by yourself. Step number 1, pick an awesome song. The first step in making your own music video is picking a song. It needs to be catchy and driving, something people will want to watch more than once. Think of songs that are fun and upbeat like Lady Gaga's Poker Face or Snoop Dogg's Drop It Like It's Hot. This should make the whole experience much more enjoyable, not just filming the video but editing it too. Step number 2, choose your location. This is the first and most crucial step in making your video. You'll need to decide what type of environment you want your video set in, which will determine not only the look but also the feel of the final product. A lot of people might think that choosing a location for their music video is all about aesthetics, but it's much more than that. Step number 3, get extra hands, or not. One of the best things about shooting your own music video is that you get to do everything yourself. That said, this isn't always an easy task. If you're not already trained in cinematography, then it's probably best to leave the filming up to professionals. Still want to make your own video? Great. Here are some tips for doing so. If you have any friends with camera and editing experience, ask them if they can help out. Step number 4, craft your story. Create the storyboard for your video and make sure you have all of your shots planned out. Be sure to think about what type of mood you want to create. The more specific you are, the better. Once you have all of your footage, it's time to go into post-production. Edit together your video and add in any special effects that may be necessary. After adding in music, if necessary, export the video and share it with the world. Step number 5, shoot. Decide where you want your video to be shot. Remember that you need the right equipment for this step. Camera, tripod, and lights are all necessities. If you have the money for it, hire someone else to do this part for you. Otherwise, make sure that your background is clean and not busy. It's also important that your music isn't too loud in the video so you can hear yourself speak or sing. If it is too loud, turn down the volume before shooting. Step number 6, edit it all together. In the editing stage, you will want to change the music and add some sound effects. You can even make your own music video with free programs like iMovie or Windows Movie Maker. It's easy as pie. Step number 7, add music over your footage and voila, you have a video. Music is key when it comes to making an engaging and captivating video. It can also help set the tone of the scene, as well as heighten emotional responses from the viewer. And if you're not musically inclined, there are plenty of royalty-free music websites that offer affordable rates for their songs. Step number 8, bonus, promote your video. Now that you have finished making your music video, it's time to promote it. One of the most effective and free ways is by using social media. Post your video on Facebook, Instagram, Vine, Twitter and any other platform you can think of. You could even make your own YouTube channel and post the video there. Thank you for watching my channel.